The 1793 flowing hair cent is a significant and sought-after coin in American numismatics. It was the first large cent produced by the United States Mint, representing the inaugural year of official coinage under the authority of the federal government. Background and history. 1. Introduction to large cents. Large cents were authorized by the Coinage Act of 1792, which established the U.S. Mint and the nation's first standard coins. The flowing hair design was chosen for the cent and half cent, emphasizing liberty and simplicity in early American coinage. 2. Design and symbolism. Obverse features liberty with flowing hair, a symbol of freedom and youthful vitality. The inscription reads, "Liberty," above the head, with the date below. Reverse depicts a simple chain of 15 interlocking links, symbolizing unity among the 15 states in the Union at the time. The words, 1 cent, are encircled by United States of America. The chain design received criticism for being reminiscent of slavery, leading to its replacement later in 1793. 3. Designer. Henry Voigt, the Mint's chief coiner, is credited with the design, though some attribute assistance to others working at the Mint. 4. Minting details. The coin was struck at the Philadelphia Mint, the only U.S. mint operating at the time. Total mintage. Approximately 36,103 coins, making it scarce today. 5. Variations. There are two primary varieties of the 1793 flowing hair cent. Chain cent. Features the controversial chain on the reverse. Wreath cent. Issued later in 1793, replacing the chain with a wreath design. Collectability and value. 1. Rarity. Many examples of the flowing hair cent were lost, melted down, or worn beyond recognition, making surviving specimens rare. Well-preserved coins in high grades are exceedingly valuable. 2. Auction records. Some high-grade examples of the 1793 flowing hair cent have sold for hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars at auction. Lower-grade or damaged specimens can still command several $1,000s due to their historical importance. 3. Grading factors. Coins are graded on their condition, from poor, P1, to mint state, Mississippi 70. Key features to evaluate include the clarity of Liberty's face and hair, the visibility of the chain or wreath, and the legibility of inscriptions. Legacy. The 1793 flowing hair cent holds a special place in American numismatics as a cornerstone of U.S. coinage history. Its design reflects the fledgling nation's values and aspirations while highlighting early challenges and public reactions to government symbolism. If you're interested in acquiring one, you might need to engage with reputable dealers, auctions, or numismatic organizations. Ownership of such a coin not only provides a tangible link to the past but also serves as an investment in American history. Like, subscribe, and tell a friend about oldpaperguy.com and our coin, stamp, and ephemera videos.